Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're a proud owner of the LG OLED TV Magic Remote and MR21GA, then I've got something really exciting to share with you today. Say hello to the colorful silicone case for LG and MR21GC MR21N/21GA remote control protective cover. This amazing silicone full protector cover is designed to keep your remote safe and sound, while adding a pop of color and style to your entertainment setup. Made of high-quality silicone, this all-inclusive protective case comes in 5 vibrant colors: black, blue, red, luminous green, and luminous blue, so you can choose the one that best suits your personality and home decor. Not only does it look great, but it also provides a comfortable grip and added protection against accidental drops or spills. But that's not all. This protective cover also comes with a lanyard for added convenience and portability. Now you can keep your remote close at hand, whether you're binge watching your favorite shows or hosting a movie night with friends. The best part? It's incredibly easy to install and remove, so you can switch up the color whenever you feel like it. Trust me, your remote has never looked this good, so why wait? Elevate your TV viewing experience with the colorful silicone case for LG and MR21GC MR21N/21GA remote control protective cover today. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this must-have accessory for your LG OLED TV Magic Remote. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.